Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to pay AliExpress without having a credit card. So first things first is to log in onto your AliExpress account. So once in, what we need to do is to choose the item that you want to buy. So just click onto it, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to proceed to the checkout section for this one to buy the item. So as you can see, we have the buy now in here, or you could actually check out onto this site in here to go ahead and try to get the payment method for this. So we'll click onto that, and then we'll get redirected onto the confirmation page. Now, right after, so that we could buy this or pay this without a credit card, we could actually choose onto the different payment method that it offers. So let's click onto view more in here. So for the credit card, so we could do that here on to add a new card. So you'll just have to click onto that, and there are actually different options in here that are actually not credit card. So just type in your card number, your holder name, your month, year, and the CVV for that. And you also have different payment options like ADL and bank contact for that. So you could use those other payment method aside from the credit card so that you could pay with AliExpress. And that's just basically it on to paying AliExpress without credit card. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.